In this video, we're going to look at how you can use the LEN function to count the length of characters in a text string. Now, this function could be useful for a whole range of things when it comes to digital marketing. Maybe you have ad copy length restrictions, or in the particular example we're going to use here, we're actually using the example of page titles which appear in the website code. So page titles will go at the top of the browser tab, and they will also go in the search results. What you click on there is the page title, and Google will typically only display around about up to 60 characters. The length will vary, but generally if your title is kind of 60 and above in terms of character lengths, there's a strong chance it will be truncated in the search results and the whole thing won't fit into the search results. So it's often useful to check if your page titles on your website are below 60 characters, so they're more likely to appear fully visible to users when they search and see your website. So we've got the Microsoft website here with a few page titles from these three URLs, and we're just going to check quickly using the len function how many text characters are actually in each of these cells. And we're just going to do that by typing out equals len, and then it's a really simple function. All you have to do is select the text that you're interested in and then hit enter, and then we can just fill this down. And what we can see is we have 30, 63, 70. So the homepage, Microsoft official homepage, we can be, certain that this is within the length that Google will typically display. This one here, it's likely to be too long, 63 characters, and this one here is a prime candidate to be rewritten as it's really quite long at 70 characters. So this is especially useful when you've got a huge list of page titles or a large list of ad copy, and you want to check the character lengths to make sure that they fit within the requirements, and you want to do that at scale. So that's the len function. It's another great one to have in the toolkit for digital marketers. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it useful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.